Hey everybody, welcome back. I am excited as usual for today's video because I thought it would be a fun idea to do like a quick everyday kind of get ready with me thing so you can see what products I use on a day-to-day basis. Like when I'm in a hurry, I just want to put some makeup on and be out the door, which is pretty much every day. So I am going to be showing you guys what I do, how I do it, all that fun stuff. So before I do, please make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. If you like these kinds of videos or just anything that has to do with makeup or self-tan, definitely make sure that you're subscribed. That is what I'm all about. So subscribe, but if you want to see me do a very quick everyday makeup look, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, guys, so I have all my products that I'm going to be using laid out on the counter so that I'm not rummaging through my things the whole video. I'm not going to make this like a timed kind of thing just because I want to speed through some parts that might be a little bit boring to watch, but I will show you guys like the time that's on my phone so you can see like exactly how long it took me to do this. This is pretty much the look that I do every day when I'm like going to work, when it's the weekend and I'm like out doing something during the day, just like a more like casual kind of thing. And I also love to do this for very last minute daily things. Like if I know I'm gonna be doing something, but I like really gotta get it together and go, this never fails me. It's literally the easiest look ever. It looks nice every time, so that is what I'm doing. So I do want to say, a lot of times I like to add in, I'm not using a cream bronzer or a cream blush today, just because this is like my very, very quick, I don't want to say 10-minute, but kind of around that time frame look. And when I'm like in a real hurry, I won't go that extra step. I'll just put the powder on and I'm out the door. So that's what I'm doing here today. But if you have time, I definitely recommend adding in like a cream bronzer and a cream blush because it always makes the look that much better. So let's just get started. So obviously the first thing that I would do is prime my skin, and every day pretty much I use the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer with vitamins B, C, and E. I just really like how this makes my skin feel. Oh, sorry, I should probably show you guys the time. It's 4:41 p.m. right now, as you can see, and I am starting. So 4:41, we'll see how long it takes me. But anyways, this is the primer that I use pretty much every single day. Never fails me. I feel like it like takes care of my skin since it has vitamins B, C, and E in it. Just feels good. Makes my makeup feel and look really nice. Oh my god, I'm so red. But yeah, love that stuff. And then next, I'm gonna use my SAIE Slip Tint. This is not the one that I use every day, but it's one of the ones that I use very frequently. I just love using tinted moisturizers on a day-to-day because they have SPF in them. So I'm just taking my beauty blender and I'm gonna apply all over my face. Beautiful. And then next I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener in the shade 7 Deep Butter. This is like my go-to every single day. I use this. I'm like already almost out of it because I just use it like crazy. And I just take it on my fingers and I put it wherever I think I need it, which is pretty much in my T-zone. The one thing I don't like about this is like the applicator because I feel like it's kind of messy using your fingers every time. But a lot of times if I'm in a hurry anyways, I won't really use my beauty blender. I'll just use my fingers because it's really quick and it still looks good. So, but today, since I have a little bit more time, I'm just gonna tap, tap, tap with my blender. Very quick. Perfect. And then my best friend for like an everyday kind of look is this, the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look of Love in a palette. And it just has like everything that you need in here. I pretty much just use this and this though. It just makes it easier than having to grab like a separate bronzer and a separate powder. So I just take like a big brush like this. I tap into the face powder and I just do my entire face just to set it. All set, ready to go. And then I take like a little bronzer brush and I go into this bronzer shade right here. I just swirl my little brush in there, pat, pat, and then I apply it all over where my bronzer usually goes. And then once I am pretty much all bronzed up, I take a blush and a highlighter, and today, and pretty much every day lately, I'm using the NARS Orgasm palette on the beach, cheek palette. I hope that makes sense. And I love to mix like pretty much everything between these 4 shades right here. So I'll mix these 2 for blush, just taking a bigger blush slash highlighter brush, mix them in, and then I'll just apply on my cheeks right where, well, right above where I put my bronzer. And I don't do this like very, very precisely because I kind of like the effortless look while still not making it messy. I promise I don't look like a mess every day. But then I'll take these 2 shades right here. Again, I'll mix them because I really like how they both look. And then I just go over where I put my blush and it gives me like the perfect highlighted look. And then I'll mix again, just do the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and a little bit above my lip. My face is pretty much done. Then I'll do my eyebrows really quick. So I have my Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. This is number 3 because I'm pretty much out of my number 5, but I just take this darker shade down here and I'll just do my brows really quick. I'm not gonna talk because I get very distracted and I'll mess up. So give me 1 second. Now I'm just taking mascara. Of course I'm using my Roller Lash by Benefit because it's my favorite and it's the best. Just quickly doing this. A quick little lip. I'm using the CARLI BYBEL and MAKIAGE AI liner, just lining my lips really fast. Just taking a little DIOR lip oil, shade 1 Pink, right in the center. And then just setting my face with my Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist by Glow Recipe. And that's that. Let's see how long that took me. Let me just clear my notifications. It's 4:53 right now. So that took me 12 minutes to do my entire face of makeup. I would say that this looks pretty good for only taking me 12 minutes. I'm sure there's quicker methods out there. I'm sure there's better methods out there, but this is just what has worked best for me on a day-to-day. Sometimes it'll take me less time, sometimes it'll take me more time. It depends how much of a rush that I'm in, but I would say that this is like a good standard for how long it takes me to get ready. And this just has been foolproof. Literally every time I do my makeup like this, I do these steps, I know I'm gonna have a pretty good makeup day. I know I'm gonna look all right. This is just what works for me. That's my favorite thing about makeup, is that there are no rules. You can do whatever the hell you want. And this is what works for me. 12 minutes, that's like nothing. And it looks like I have a full ass face of makeup, which I guess I do, but it took me like barely any time. So I thought that was a fun idea for a video. I had fun doing it. Like I said, this is me pretty much every single day when I'm not like fully glammed up for like a video or like a nighttime thing or something. This is what I look like pretty much all the time. So I thought I would share that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed. make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you thought about how this turned out in 12 minutes. And let me know if you guys have any other methods for getting out the door really, really quick for the day as far as your makeup goes. So just comment, let me know what you guys are doing. Let me know if you liked my method, all that fun stuff. Make sure to give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next one.